Chief Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, Fatou Bensouda, who is on a 4-day working visit to Uganda, urged Lord's Resistance Army Commander Joseph Kony to leave the bush. She promised that he would be treated fairly and impartially.
You will be treated fairly and impartially in accordance with the highest standards of justice and with full respect for your due process rights as a defendant.
She also gave assurance that former LRA Commander Dominic Ongwen, who is facing trial at the ICC in The Hague, Netherlands, would be treated with dignity and his rights observed to international standards. Bensouda, who was addressing journalists in Kampala, also pledged that claims of the UPDF also committed atrocities in northern Uganda would be considered and an assessment made.
My office has to make and take everything into consideration and decide what direction we should move.
Critics claim that since the LRA was fighting the UPDF, could not have been only the LRA committing atrocities. Meanwhile, the ICC Chief Prosecutor is considering pushing ahead date for Ongwen's confirmation of charges hearing from the initial provisional date of 24th of August. Earlier in the day, Bensouda paid a courtesy call to the Speaker of Parliament, Rebecca Kadaga, at her offices in the parliamentary buildings.
And meanwhile, we are preparing the case. I've put a group of investigators and advisors who are looking at not only the crimes that he was surrendered for, which was since 2005.
Kadaga pledged Parliament's unwavering support to the ICC on the situation in Uganda.
We also supported the establishment of the War Crimes Division in the High Court of Uganda.
Maurice Ochol, NTV.